Hi everyone, this is Namrita Hakim. Today we'll begin the session with English grammar for grade 4, unit 1, that is sentence. So before getting into this unit, we'll see what is word. Word. Word is a collection or group of letters which gives complete meaning is called as word. Example, apple, ball. Now let's get into the topic called sentence. So what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So examples, here you can see the boys are playing in the field. Second example you can see here, the dogs bark. Third example here is the sun shines brightly. You can see the picture here. One more example, that is the fourth example here is we watch TV every day. These examples are all sentences because every sentence has complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter. We should put some punctuation marks at the proper place in the sentence, such as comma, full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark. As you can see here, there are four main types of sentences. First one, assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. Now let's move to the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is also called as declarative sentence. These are statements that express facts, events, and actions. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. You can see an example. Annie likes to drink milk. An assertive sentence can be either affirmative sentence or negative sentence. A sentence which tells us something in a positive manner is called as affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is also called as positive sentence. Now the second one here is negative sentence. A sentence which tells us something in a negative manner is called as negative sentence. Now we'll see few examples of affirmative sentence. The first one here is the stars shine at night. You can see the stars are shining here. And the second example is she will dance today. You can see the picture here. The girl is dancing. Now we'll go to the next slide and we'll see the examples of negative sentence as well. The first example here is Joe is not standing. So you can see here Joe is not standing. What he is doing? He is running. And the second example is Sonam is not a doctor. Yes, obviously she is not a doctor. You can see in the picture here she is a police. Thank you everyone.